Hi, we thought we would show you our brand new showroom floor. This was only put down last week. It's taken 4 or 5 days. But we're having a big revamp in the showroom, and all the Karndean, these are the old Karndean displays. All of these will be gone very soon. There's some very big changes happening this year in Karndean, and we're extremely excited to have been informed and invited to be part of the big changes. So we've laid lots of new panels. This personally is one of my favorites. This is VGW85, which is French oak. It's been specially cut as a herringbone. It costs a little bit more to do, but it does look the bee's knees. We've put a heritage panel down. We have put some Art Select over there. We've put some Van Gogh here. The main body of the floor is, I think it's the grey oak. It's VGW110 is the main body of the floor. So yeah, we've been trying to keep our guys busy when we can, because times are tough at the minute, but we're hoping that this evening Boris might give us some good news about how we're going to get out of lockdown and when we will be able to invite the public properly back into our showroom. So yeah, we hope to see everyone soon.